I welcome to all on the course of Element of Mechanical Engineering. I am Prabhupada Senapati. Today I am going to deliver the hydraulic dam introduction, history, construction detail, working efficiency, advantage and the disadvantage, application and the conclusion. In this video, we will learn the basic principle of hydraulic dam working and the advantage and the disadvantage. Let's start from the introduction. Basically, the hydraulic dam is a water pump powered by the hydropower. Its function as a hydraulic transformer. It is the device which raises the small quantity of water without any external power to the higher level from the large quantity of water available at the lower level. This hydraulic dam based upon the principle of water hammer or the inertia force of water in a pipeline. This is a very old method and well-proven technology for lifting the water from ground to higher level. This is a very self-acting dam pump was invented by French scientist Joseph Montgolfier in 1796 for raising the water in his paper mill. After that, it is modified by Matthew Boulton in 1797, who is the friend of Joseph Montgolfier. Then it is modified by the son of Michel Golfier in 1896, and he was found the British pattern in 1896. The Montgolfier is popularly known the work in the hot air balloon. Let's start the construction detail. This hydraulic dam consists of supply tank, supply pipe, valve chamber, waste valve, delivery valve, air vessel, delivery pipe and the delivery tank. Let's start from the diagram. Working principle here will be known. First, you know the construction. Here is the supply tank, and this is the valve chamber connected by the supply pipeline. And this is the air vessel, and here two valves, one is waste valve and this is the waste valve, and this is the delivery valve. The both valve is the non-return valve. Then come to the delivery tank. The delivery tank connected to the air vessel by the delivery pipeline. Let's start on the working principle. Just now I told that hydraulic dam based upon the water hammer principle. First, you know what is water hammering or inertia force of water. When the water is flowing, is suddenly brought to rest, the change in momentum of water masses causes the sudden rise in the pressure. So based upon this principle, the hydraulic ram pump is developed. Let's start from here. This is the supply tank. From the supply tank, your large quantity of water is available of low head. You have to supply small quantity of water pumped into the delivery tank without use of electricity. So from the water is supplied from the supply tank to the valve chamber through the supply pipeline. When the water at the valve chamber, at a certain time, the water gets the high kinetic energy. This kinetic energy helpful to close the waste valve. Then the water, when the waste valve will be closed, then the flowing water is stopped. Then the changing of water masses causes the sudden rise of pressure. Due to the pressure, the delivery valve will be opened. Here, the kinetic energy of water convert to the pressure energy. Due to the kinetic energy, the waste valve is closed. After that, when you stop the flowing water, due to the change in momentum of water masses, the pressure is developed. Due to the pressure developed, the delivery valve will be opened. After that, again the water is compressed in the air vessel. How? Initially in the air vessel, water is there. Due to the pressure rise in the water, water entered to the air vessel, where air gets compressed. And again water is pressurized in the air vessel. Then it will go to the delivery tank through the delivery pipe. After this process is complete, here it will be lose the pressure. After delivery, it will be lose the pressure. Then this delivery valve automatically closed. This is a non-return valve. After that, again the water is flowing from the supply tank and get the at that supply tank. At that time, waste valve will be open. Like that, the cycle will be continued. Now you see your from the supply tank. This is the where the large quantity of water is available is pumped to the delivery tank without using any electrical energy. Here you are using the hydraulic energy. Let's come to the working principle. The hydraulic ram works on the principle of water hammer, as when the flowing water suddenly brought to rest, the change in momentum of water masses causes the sudden rise in pressure. This rise in pressure utilized to raise the small quantity of water to higher level. Initially, the waste valve is open and delivery valve is closed. The water from the supply tank starts flow under the force of gravity and pick up the speed, and the kinetic energy is forced to close the waste valve. The momentum of water flow in a supply pipe exists. Now close the waste valve. causes the water hammer that raises the pressure in the chamber. This pressure of water opens the delivery valve and water enters to the vessel where it is further compressed in the air vessel. And this pressure in the air vessel raises which is close to the delivery valve. Now the water from the air vessel forced through the delivery pipe. Under this condition, the waste valve and the delivery valve both remain closed. Slowly the valve chamber falls and waste valve again opens and allowing water flow through it. Under this condition, the flow through the supply pipe begins again, producing the water hammer in the valve chamber. The cycle will be continued. Generally, now you observe, here is the river. We have to supply the tank, we have to supply the water from the river to the village or the hill area. Where electricity is not available, we can use this hydraulic ram. This is the main application of the hydraulic ram. Let's come to the advantage of this hydraulic ram. In the hydraulic ram, you observe it is an automatical system and low maintenance, and because of here no moving part, and here wear and tear is very less. That's why the running cost is also very negligible. No electricity consumption and long life and reliable. The main disadvantage here is the large amount of water wasted through the waste valve and is only suitable for remote area where electricity is not available. And application. To lift the drinking water from the spring to the higher ground of settlement and use the flowing water is available, and it is useful in hilly area where large quantity of water flows at lower level is needed to raise the for domestic or the irrigation purpose. This is the application. Generally, you are apply where water you have to supply from ground to hilly area for domestic or for any irrigation purpose. Let's come to the conclusion. The board prospect of utilizing the country, the abundance of surface water, the cost of civil work and the pipe installation and the initial investment could be high. So in this video we learn the hydraulic dam. Thank you.